Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So we're going to jump straight into it today. I haven't got a sheer black gel polish, so I'm going to make my own. This is an old gel polish pot that I've got. I've cleaned it all out. So I'm going to use some of the Bornpretty black that I've got. And I'm just going to put some of that in. I'm using this pot because then I can store it in this pot. So yeah, that's why I thought it was easier to do it this way. And then I'm going to use a no wipe top coat. If you want this to be tacky, then use a base coat instead, because then when it's cured it has a tacky layer. But I wanted a no wipe one, so I'm just putting a Moravan top coat into this. I just put some in, and then I will mix it thoroughly, and then I will test it. If it's still a bit too dark, then I will just add some more top coat into it, which is what I did do. I added, I think it was another 3 or 4 drops. Just keep doing it until you're happy. So yep, so I'm just mixing it just with my little stirrer thing. You can pick these stirrer things up from almost anywhere. Just use whatever you've got, and just keep mixing it until it's really, really well mixed. And then I did test it, and then I was like, no, that's still too dark. So I put some more top coat into it. I don't actually show you me putting it in, but you can see in the middle there. And then I just stir it again until I'm happy, and then yep. Sorry, just keep stirring it, and yeah, just keep having a play with it. Just test it every so often, until you are completely happy with it. And then yeah, and then this was the shade that I wanted, because I wanted it to be quite sheer. I'm also going to be using Bornpretty JN48, which is a jelly red. So this is from the Jelly Nude series. I've got lots of colours in this collection. They're really, really nice. So yep, I'm just going to, I put 2 coats of this, and I put 2 coats of the black on. So yeah, so this is a Halloween set. And this one is very, very easy. It's just a couple of stickers, a stamped image, and I do have to do a little bit of freehand. Don't worry, it's nothing too major. I was actually really happy with how it came out. So yeah. Anyway, so this is going to be the black now. So I will show you the 2 coats of this. I'm going to do this on 3 nails. So this is the sort of thing I wanted. I wanted it to be very, very sheer, sort of almost like almost transparent. If that, you must know what I mean. And because I didn't have any, I thought, okay, I'm just going to DIY it. So yeah, that's exactly what I did do. Because I wanted a no wipe one, because I'm going to get in with some flakies. So here is the second coat going on, and I'm just testing it, just make sure it is cured, and yes, it is completely no wipe. It's very nice, very nice. I'm glad that I did it in this pot, because now I can save this pot. So it's really, really good. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cough, which is not very good. But yeah, it's just the change in the weather, I think. It's very cold and damp here. Anyway, so this is what it's looking like. So I picked up these flakies off of Temu. I will try and remember to put the link in, but they are gorgeous. They have several different colours, and I couldn't wait to use them. So yeah, there will be a haul of the other colours that I got, but I had to use this, and I've actually used another colour as well, but that will be coming later on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of sort of put them on the nail sort of randomly. Because this is going to be the kind of backdrop for the stickers I'm going to use. The stickers are also from Temu as well. So yeah, I'm just going to push them in and sort of, just scrub them about a bit. These are really, really easy to use, and they worked really well with this black that I made. I was actually quite surprised. So yeah, as I said, if you want it to be tacky, then use a base coat. Don't use a no wipe top coat. So I will do this on all 3. Actually, I do it on all of the nails. Yes, I do. Because I liked it that much. It gave it really, really nice depth. It's really nice. I do actually really like how this set came out. And it's super easy as well. Really, really easy. Sorry, I will stop coughing in a minute. So yeah, just continue adding them until you are happy. They kind of look like blood kind of thing. I'm not quite sure what I was going for. I just knew I liked the idea of this background. So that's what it looked like. That's what it looks like over the red. Really, really pretty. So I'm going to be using Beauty Big Bang XL019. I do have a discount code for all of these products as well. And Shoe Modern Opaque Black Sticky Stamping Polish. And these are the stickers I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you the stamping first. I stamped 2 nails. So I'm going to stamp these spiders and cobwebs on to kind of go with the spider webs and that in the stickers. So I thought, well, this one would look quite nice. So just put your polish down, scrape it quite low to the plate, and then scrape it. I'm just cleaning off what I don't want, and then I will stamp that on the nail. Looks very cool with this background as well. Looks very cool. I was really happy with how this turned out, actually. I didn't expect it to turn out so well. I was really happy, really chuffed. So I just need to add a little bit to the bottom. I don't need much, so I just selected which part that I needed, just so I don't waste stamping polish. And I scrape it that way so I don't have so much cleanup to do. And then, yep, I will just clean it up, and then I will put it on the nail, just joining the other one. I like that you can still see kind of like the glitter through it. I like that. Flaky glitter? I don't know. So there you go. Just going to line it up how I want it to be. And then we're going to stamp it over the red as well. So I've zoomed in quite a lot because you may not be able to see it very clearly. But in person you can see it. I think it's just because of the, you know, the background. So there you go. It looks very nice. I would most definitely wear these. Totally wear them. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Oh, look at that red underneath. It looks so pretty. Pretty. So these are the stickers. So I'm just going to select which ones I want. So this one is a spider and an eyeball. These are really delicate. Oh, I was so worried I was going to continue ripping them because I did a different set, which you won't see because I don't like it. But I did do another set, and I ripped so many stickers. They're so fiddly. They're really thin and just tear so easily. So if you have got these stickers, be very careful because they will just rip. But anyway, so I'm just making sure that it's all pushed down, and that's what that one looks like. And then I'm going to use this hand as well. Just going to place it where I want it. What I do is, until I'm happy, I won't push it completely down. I won't start pushing it all the way down because these are going to be very difficult to get back off the nail. I don't think you'd be able to. I think once you push these down onto the nail, you wouldn't be able to get them back up because they just tear. Because they are super thin, which is really good because they won't add any bulk to the nail. But then it also has its downfall if it's not where you want it to be. But anyway, right. So this is going to be the little bit of freehand. So this set is nearly done. So I haven't got any spiders that I actually wanted. So I'm going to improvise. I'm just using my top coat that I used for glitters and pigments. And then I will cure that. Then I'm going to go in with this, what do you call it? Nail drill glue, whatever it's called. My hand is just still not even halfway recovered, and I'm trying to squeeze this. It just wasn't happening. But I managed to get it out in the end. I was like, come on. So there you go. Anyway, right, so I'm just going to take a couple of red gems. Just here. And then I will cure these into place. I just flash cure them for 10 seconds just so they don't move. And then I will go in with the same Bornpretty black and draw some legs on. So yeah, so this set is nearly done. I was actually really happy with how this spider turned out, actually, because I had really bad shakes, really bad shakes, and I actually managed to do it. I was quite chuffed, if I do say so myself. Anyway, you'll have to let me know what you think down below, and do you prefer it matte or shiny? Because I cannot decide, because I like both. I would work both ways. But anyway, as I said in the beginning, this is a collab, so the playlist link will be down in the description box and in the pinned comment, and all my discount codes and all products that I've used will all be in the description box as always. And there is a direct link to Bornpretty website as well, and don't forget to use my discount code. They do have lots of sales on at the moment, so definitely worth checking them out. And yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have. Well, I do hope you enjoyed my video today, and I hope you like the end result. You have to let me know. And yep, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And yep, hopefully I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out the playlist link as well. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching, and yep, hopefully I will see you in the next one, because I will have a lot of Halloween videos coming up. Okay, right, I will speak to you all soon. And until the next one, take care. Bye.